Hi, Sandy. I'm going to give you some feedback on your final project. One of the things I found difficult here was actually to know how much time you spent total on in total on this project. I don't see it. I spent 7 hours a week, 7 hours a week for 14 hours. Okay, so this is a 14-hour project. You did say that. Okay. All right, so 14 hours. Okay, you accomplished a lot. Things that I noticed, I mean, this is very in depth. And you've got a nice prompt there. One thing that I would suggest is now you've got these different versions, which is great. I'm glad you've shown me this. But in the final version, as you go down, let me see it somewhere. It's important so you got your final prompt. It's important to kind of emphasize these things maybe with a little bit of size here. You've got the color, which helps. And then here, you have done some nice, you've got your formatting, which I think is great. And then, um, so I like the detail in your prompt a lot, actually. So that works really well for me. And you've got these 3 solid lessons. I might just press a little trick. I press Control Enter to force, because you want those lessons independent from each other. And yeah, I think they're very solid lessons. And then you've got your Gemini work, which I appreciate your prompts and working on it and figuring things out. And so I think that's all very solid. I was wondering about your game. I did look at it, and I'm wondering who plays this. I mean, if it's grade two, I mean, I don't know. It doesn't seem you got the word egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly in the order here. It's not overly challenging. Now, I don't know for grade two. Um, it just seems like it'd be too simple, or hmm, if they can read the word caterpillar, uh, I don't know. I'm not sure. I'd have to think about it. Maybe I'm too hard. Anyway, nice that you've tried these tools. So, in going to your self-grading here, you've given me some good details here, a very detailed explanation, um, and I think the clear learning goals here, and then it clearly you invested some effort and time into this for sure. And you're aware of your challenges, which is important. And then, because you're learning, you've used 3 different tools, which is important. And it is very well organized and a plan. So I would agree that you're certainly at the A to A plus category. A plus is really hard to achieve, but I can be convinced. But I think this is a very well organized, well thought out project, and I hope it's useful for you.